Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discuss about in a topic. The topic is FTX before shutdown. The cola phase of FTX. What went wrong with the crypto? Will I ever get my money back from FTX? FTX says customers will get money back or less will receive approximately 118% of the amount of their allowed claim the recognitions. FTX says almost all customers will get their money back. YouTube search for will I ever get my money back from FTX? What was FTX before? FTX Trading Ltd, commonly known as FTX shorts for Futures Exchange, is a bankrupt company that formerly operated of cryptocurrency exchange and crypto hedge fund. What happened to my FTX account? Nearly all customers of FTX will get their money back plus interests after the cryptocurrency exchange imploded 17 months ago. FTX, which failed of bank cryptocurrency protections in November 2022, said in a court filing Tuesday that between 14.5 billion and 16.3 billion would be available for distributions. Nearly all FTX customers are getting their money back. What to know? Search for what happened to my FTX account. What did what date did FTX collapse? November 2022 crypto exchange FTX crashed in November 2022, sinking major tokens in its wake, and FTX crash timeline fell out and what investors should now search for. What did FTX collapse? Did FTX victims get their money back? FTX customers will get their money back and more. The biggest winners are bankruptcy trader Sam Bankman-Fried, the former CEO of FTX, is serving a 25-year sentence in a rare outcome of for bankruptcy. Customers of the failed cryptocurrency exchange FTX will recover all of their money and then some. FTX customers will get their money back and more, but the fortune. Search for did FTX victims get their money back? What if I lost money in FTX? A customer who lost one Bitcoin when FTX imploded, for example, would be entitled to less than $20,000 even though a Bitcoin is now worth more than $60,000. It will take months for the payout to being the plan requires approvals by the federal judge overseeing FTX bankruptcy, John T. FTX customers poised to recover all funds lost in Colapace. Search for what is the lost money in FTX. Is FTX still operating? FTX to repay customers and will not relaunch. On Jan 31, 2024, FTX announced it would not restart its cryptocurrency exchange. Instead, it would liquidate all assets and return the money of the customers. The exchange was in negotiations for months with investors and bidders but could not get enough money to rebuild. FTX scam explained everything you need to know. tech target. Search for, is FTX still operating? Where did all the money go from FTX? Under a restructuring plan of federal court in Delaware, almost of the FTX customers and investors, which included hundreds of thousands of normal people, will receive cash payment equivalent, equivalent to 1.118% the assessed the stored off on the FTX. With this we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.